Now I know you have probably seen me peel prosthetics off my face for content, but in my decade and a half of working as a professional special effects makeup artist, I would never do that to somebody sitting in my chair, and neither should you. There are two basic categories: oil-based and non-oil-based. First, let's talk about the oil-based remover. Oil works great to break down FX adhesives. Now, if you're hoping just to pick up an oil-based makeup remover from your local store, you may find that it's not strong enough. A lot of times these are cut with multiple ingredients, so you might find yourself wrestling and scrubbing your skin to get the residue off. Really, one of the go-tos is isopropyl Myristate. At first glance, this remover is a no-brainer. Price-wise, it's one of the cheapest options. It's also a super common ingredient you might find in products you have at home because it's considered a moisturizer. The remover is great to break down the glues and also break down waterproof makeup or alcohol-activated paints. It's gentle and non-drying. You can also get Myristate in a gel form, which you may find easier to work with. Now, the issue is this is one of the worst products you would use if you're planning on applying a makeup on an actor the following day. Even after cleansing the skin, it may hang around, causing issues with makeup and glues sticking properly. This is the reason if you're using a brush from Myristate, consider it contaminated, and that is all you would want to use that brush for. Though it is recommended to have a separate set of remover brushes for your kit, no matter what cleanser you decide to use. So if you're looking to reuse a prosthetic, this is a product you're going to want to stay away from. Any oil is going to get absorbed into the foam and cause issues for trying to glue it at a later date. Also, oil breaks down latex, so oil-free. Now these are solvent-based, like alcohol, acetone, and naphtha. The sound of those chemicals in a remover might sound a little scary. Now they are formulated for safe use on the skin, but can also be harsher for sensitive skin. Like all products, it's good for you to know what's in it, so you can make the call if you want to use it. Especially if you're working on other people, you need to understand what's in your kit and how it may react to somebody's skin. You may be thinking, why would anyone want to use these? Remember, we talked about Myristate making applying makeups the following day a potential problem. So among these removers, we have Spirit Gum Remover and also Bond Off from Nye. PPI Premier Products has Beta Bond Remover, Telesis Remover, and Super Solve. I will say I never use Bond Off or Super Solve. I find them too harsh. In my opinion, it's just best to stay away. So what I always have in my kit, and I do recommend, is Super Solve. Plus, believe it or not, that little word makes a world of difference. Plus is a gentler version of Super Solve and is better for sensitive skin. But to get that gentler formula, there is Myristate in this. There isn't enough to cause issue for makeup application the following day or ruining your prosthetics. So I wouldn't go dousing my prosthetics in this if you're looking to reuse it. When using non-oil-based removers, if you have sensitive skin, be sure to do a patch test and see how your skin's gonna react before you cover your face in any of these products. Let's talk about actual removal of the prosthetic. Head over to this video on how to properly remove a prosthetic, and I'll see you there.